Hi everyone, thank you for watching this video. So today we'll see how to say and write morality. In Chinese we say 道德, 道德. So we've come across the first character Dao before, which means principles or rules. So 道德, de is like talking about morals. So it's like the rules of having good behaviors. All right, so this is morality, moral values, 道德, 道德. Or you can see sometimes these two characters with like the book of Dao De, Tao Te Jing, Tao Te Ching. So it's the book of for Taoism. So that's also Dao De, Dao De. So I hope you enjoy this video, and you can see how these two characters are written on the right hand side of the video. Hope you enjoy it, and please let me know if you have any questions, and please check out other videos as well. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. So thank you so much for your support, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.